Thomas, what brings you to UnitedXR?
Man, I'm so excited to be here, so excited to meet you in the flesh, because we've been wheeling and dealing online for many years. But the main reason why we're here today is celebrating the end of 2025, finishing off on a high and putting all our partners in the headlights, helping them showcase their use case, their solution, not talk about our tech and our product and all aspects, because all of these people have been coming to this event for so many years. Everyone knows about XR, but what real challenges can XR solve today?
We actually got to meet up last night at an event. What was that about?
Man, it was an event that I was so proud to be a part of. It was Women in Industries of Tomorrow getting together under the new name. It's a community of strong women driving this industry forward. And at HTC VIVE, we were so proud to support that event. So it had a bit of a Christmassy vibe. It was great to get the community together. Lots of diversity, inclusion. They're great values. We need more of that within the industry, and we need to lift each other up.
Now, you've had a pretty busy couple of days here. You were presenting on a number of sessions as well?
Yeah, so we got lots of talks, and that's what we love about these events. It's not about just the show floor and demoing the tech. It's about talking about solutions, getting on stage to talk about some great wins that our partners have had in the industry. I'll be on the main stage in a few minutes to talk about XR in space. Next up, I'll be attending a workshop with my colleagues Nathan from Viveverse, where we're going to be talking about the way we at HTC empower content creators to start thinking outside of the square and use XR and 3D content as a new language.
We're coming towards the end of 2025. To say this year has been a little hectic would be probably a little bit of an understatement. With 2026 around the corner, what are you looking forward to? What are you guys up to? You're living the dream.
Yes, I mean, you can tell, right? This event is not just about XR and AR as we know today. Big form factors still belong to that business that we're driving, but we are taking a parallel path. There's a lot of talk about AI smart glasses, and what are the actual use cases that we can drive, not just for the consumer, but for our B2B clients that have supported HTC VIVE and whom we have supported for quite a long time. So started to think about what are going to be the next use cases for more compact, lighter, easier to use form factors, where in an ideal world at some point, we're going to kiss goodbye to all this time wasted and spent tapping on the smartphones and scrolling and zooming in and out. AI will become our new interface. We have to do it well, step by step. We work with open standards. We believe in openness. But everything needs to be tightly controlled and safe. So this is what we're going to be working on in 2026.
Well, if someone had said to me 18 months ago, the whole AI smart glass and some of the other models that are out there would have been as successful as they were, I would have kind of gone, I'm not sure. So that has been a revelation this year.
Yes.
You guys are already ahead of the pack, and with CES around the corner, I'm sure we'll see many other entrants into the market.
Yeah,
For anyone who thinks that the XR thing has gone away, we haven't even started. And I think I will give AI credit for probably helping break down a lot of the silos internally in companies to get the data so I can then consume it in my XR experience, whatever spectrum that is. But 2026 will probably be as hectic as 2025.
Yeah, crazy. And the other thing that you have potentially seen here on the show floor is the work that we do at HTC to promote arts and culture.
Yes.
Location-based entertainment is growing like we've never seen before. There's this new up-and-coming one called ENTR, ENTR. And you can enter in their box and revisit the Amsterdam of 1675. All of that powered by HTC VIVE, backend solution, location-based tracking, large group solution, free roam, multi-user. Fascinating. The queue is massive. It tells me how much and how big an appetite there is from the general public for these new types of education, edutainment, the crossroads of arts and culture and entertainment. So fun, man. I love this industry to bits.
Well, I was saying to you earlier, this is my actual first AWE. I'm typically off at energy and manufacturing and industry events. But coming here, I'm like a kid in a playbox with look at the art of the possible and what people are doing in different industries.
Yeah.
But if we can get that information or get people in other industries to kind of go, God, I didn't even know you could do that. Imagine what we could do in our business for training or orientation or whatever. That to me, I think is, that's the secret sauce. But
It's our job. We need to inspire people.
hey, good stuff.
Mate, thanks for having me.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, mate.